Be honest. When everything goes sideways, the siren, the shake, the sudden darkness, your first instinct is panic. It's a primal, useless response. But what if I told you the difference between surviving and thriving in chaos comes down to 5 immediate, 60-second actions? I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to arm you. This is your personal cheat sheet. Stay locked in, because if you ever need this, you'll need it now. Action 1. The 5-second freeze. Forget your phone. Forget your keys. Your first action is simple. Stop. Dead. Still. When stress hits, the blood rushes away from your thinking brain, your prefrontal cortex, straight to your legs. That's the evolutionary urge to run. We're cutting that off. Take one slow, deep breath. Use that 5-second pause to ask yourself one question. What is trying to kill me right now? Is it the fire, the water, or the debris? Don't move until you have identified the immediate, primary threat. This single action turns you from a runner into a strategist. Action 2. The local bubble defense. Once you know the enemy, you secure your immediate area. This is your personal 10-foot radius. This is about buying time. If you're indoors, don't run outside. Many injuries happen stepping into a collapsed doorway. Get under something sturdy, a heavy desk or a bed frame, and hold on. You're creating a void space that can protect you from falling ceilings. If you smell gas or see fire, your job is to move low and fast to an exit. Do not, under any circumstances, try to fight the fire or search for your loved ones yet. You can't help anyone if you're a casualty. Self-rescue first. Action 3. The low bandwidth ping. The power grid is taxed. Cell towers are choked with panic calls. You can't rely on voice, so you need to be smart about communication. Do not call 911 unless you have a verifiable, life-threatening emergency. The first responders need open lines. Your communication lifeline is text messaging. Text messages require a fraction of the bandwidth of a voice call. They sneak through when calls can't. This is key. Have an out-of-area contact already established. Text them your status, safe at home, and let them handle notifying the rest of the family. You send one low-bandwidth ping, they handle the rest. It frees you up to survive. Action 4. The grab-and-go 90 seconds. I hope your go bag isn't buried in the attic. It should be waiting by your front door, ready for the 3 words you never want to hear. You must evacuate. Don't waste a second searching for anything. Grab the bag. It should contain water, a basic first aid kit, and your critical document packet, copies of your ID, insurance, and some emergency cash. In the immediate aftermath, always throw on a jacket, no matter the weather. It adds a crucial layer of protection against debris, cuts, and sudden temperature drops. You need to be resilient right now, not comfortable. Action 5. The energy miser mindset. The first few hours are fueled by adrenaline. But what about day 2? Day 3? The reality is you're going to be on your own for at least 72 hours. You have to become an energy miser. Assume you have less than you think. Start rationing water and food now. Don't drink a full bottle in one go. Sips. Small bites. Don't wander. Don't pace. Sit still, stay warm, and focus on hearing news or seeing lights. Every unnecessary movement drains your caloric reserves. Your greatest asset isn't your strength. It's your ability to wait patiently and wisely. The bonus, your ultimate advantage. You stuck around, and that tells me you're serious about preparedness. So here's the one thing that separates those who struggle from those who genuinely succeed after a catastrophe. Find a partner. Don't go it alone. Your chances of survival skyrocket when you have a buddy. One person can watch for danger while the other treats a wound. 2 people can lift debris that one can't. This isn't just physical, it's psychological. The simple act of checking in on a neighbor or helping someone who's frozen in panic gives you purpose, which is the best fuel for perseverance. Survival is a team sport. All right, survivor, I want to know your most valuable piece of preparation. What's the one unusual or genius item in your go bag that most people forget? Drop it in the comments section below. Share this video with one person you care about. Hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a lesson in being emergency ready. Stay safe out there.